In this video, we'll look into Rollup. Rollup is generally used for calculating the totals. So let us create a table. Create table. SQL Basics is the database name. So SQL Basics dot dbo dot addresses is the table name. Open braces. I'll close the braces also here. Here the fields are address type, varchar of 100, color, varchar of 100, and varchar of 100, and that is the table. Execute, right click tables, fresh, presses. It has created this dresses table with the columns dress type varchar of 100, color varchar of 100, and brand varchar of 100. So we'll insert some values into this. Insert into SQLBasics.dbo.dresses values shirt blue Ralph, shirt white Ralph, shirt grey Ralph, shirt blue Hilfiger, shirt white Hilfiger, shirt grey Hilfiger, jeans blue Levi's, jeans black Levi's, jeans grey Levi's, and jeans blue Lee, jeans black Lee, and jeans grey Lee. So you can see that dress type and color each has got two items. Any dress type and color we take, there are 2 items. So if we group by dress type and the color, then you should get 2 for each and dress type and color. So let us insert these values. Let us check the table whether it's empty. Empty. Now let us insert these values to the table. The rows have been inserted. Here select star from SQLBasics.dbo.dresses. Execute. So all these 12 rows have been entered. Now we will select this dress type and color and count how many are there. Count of star as num from SQLBasics.dbo.dresses, and we will group by dress type and color. So we are just seeing this dress type and color. Each dress type and color, there are 2 records. So we are grouping by dress type and color and ordering by dress type and color. If I execute this, jeans black to jeans blue to jeans gray to shirt blue to shirt gray to shirt white to. That's what the group by dress type and color has given the result. Now for the same query, select dress type color count of star as none from SQLBasics.dbo.addresses. Here we are saying group by rollup of dress type comma color, order by dress type comma color. So if I execute this, I got null null and 12, jeans null 6, jeans black 2, let me take this in a spreadsheet and show it. The first one, copy this and paste it in a spreadsheet. Now we'll execute the second one, roll up. This paste it here. So here we got everything as 2, shirt 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 and blue gray white, jeans 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 black blue gray. Here we got 2 for all those things. So let me order by this jeans. Let me order by dress type. So if I say this jeans black, jeans blue 2, jeans gray 2. So here we got jeans black 2, jeans blue 2, jeans gray 2. The same records we got it. Whatever we got from in group by, we got it in roll up 2. And for shirt also we got shirt blue 2, shirt gray 2, shirt white 2. Here also shirt blue 2, shirt gray 2, shirt white 2. But here some extra records are showing up. So shirt, there's no color, but total shirts is 6 shirts. Whether it's blue, gray or white, we are getting that subtotal. For jeans, for blue, black, blue and gray, the total jeans are 6 jeans. And for any dress type or any color, the total are, there are 6 shirts and 6, there are total 6, because two for jeans black, 2 for jeans blue, 2 for jeans gray, and 2 for shirt blue, 2 for shirt gray, 2 for shirt white. 6 plus 6 total 12 records. So it is giving both the subtotal and the grand total. So that's what the function of the rollup is. Rollup gives the totals. It gives both the subtotals and grand total too. But group by doesn't give those totals. That's the difference between group by and rollup. Now let us look at the dress type. Select dress type, count of star as none from SQLBasics.dbo.addresses, group by dress type, order by dress type. So here we are not considering the color. We are considering an dress type, and it's a group by. So if I execute this, so here we have 6 jeans and 6 shirts. So group by has only, if you consider only dress type, then there are 6 shirts and 6 jeans. You see these first 6 are shirts and next 6 are jeans. So let us see what Rollup gives us. I run. So here select dress type, should still go down here. Okay. Select dress type, count of star as none from SQLBasics.dbo.dresses. Group by Rollup of dress type, order by dress type. Let me execute. So we have jeans 6 and shirt 6, but the total also we are getting as 12. If I execute this, both of them together, if the group by has given just jeans are 6 and shirts are 6, but the Rollup has given that jeans are 6, shirts are 6, and the total is 12. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.